In the heart of a vibrant jungle, a fierce battle unfolds between a majestic eagle and a cunning snake, each fighting for dominance in their territory. As the eagle descends with remarkable speed, the snake raises itself ready to defend its ground, showcasing the raw power and instinct of nature's most formidable creatures. With the jungle fading into the backdrop, the confrontation escalates as the eagle circles the ancient ruins, while the snake prepares to strike, embodying the primal struggle for survival. In a breathtaking display of agility and instinct, the eagle makes a swift attempt to capture the snake whose fierce defense could mean life or death in this intense clash. As the eagle evades the snake's fierce attack with skillful aerial maneuvers, the tension mounts, each creature pushing its limits in this epic confrontation. Determined and relentless, the eagle prepares for its next strike, while the snake remains alert, ready to defend its territory amidst the breathtaking backdrop of the setting sun.